In the first 24 hours after the earthquake in Turkey, the death toll has already risen to over 4,000, affecting people in Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, and more. Your donations are needed urgently. There's no way to sugarcoat or sweet talk this one. We need you to help our Muslim brothers and sisters crushed under the rubble, under buildings, so that we can get them medical aid, food, water, and shelter. Now's the time for the Ummah of Muhammad to pull together to support our brothers and sisters. Don't think about it, just do it.